It's some time. Why do we crave sugar?
'Cause sugar contains all the essential nutrients.
Nah. Sugar is found in many food items like chocolates, cakes, ice creams, etc.
Dude, they are really tempting.
Indeed. But when we eat such sugary foods, the sweet-sensing taste buds in our tongue send signals to the brain. In the brain, these signals activate the reward system due to which neurotransmitters like dopamine are released. Dopamine gives us pleasure and makes us feel good. As it makes us feel good, we tend to eat more sweet, sugary foods to get the same feeling. Thus, sugar acts like a drug, making us addictive and thus causing cravings. However, note that excess sugar is not good for mental as well as physical health. Hence, we can use natural sweeteners like jaggery and honey which don't cause harm and satisfy our cravings.